Hey guys, it's time for another trip, which means it's time for another packing video. I am going on a girls trip with my mom to Paris and I am so excited. This is kind of like my farewell to Paris tour. This will technically be my fourth time in the city, but really kind of counting it as my third time because one of those was just for Disneyland Paris. And there's a few things I really just kind of want to cross off my bucket list before, I kind of say goodbye to the city for good. Not because I don't like Paris, but just because there's so many other places in the world I need to go see. So, a couple of things I really want to do. Get to the top of the Eiffel Tower. I haven't made it there yet. I've only gotten to the second level. I missed the glass pyramids at the Louvre, so there's just some things I need to do. Like I said, girls trip with my mom. I'm really excited to be able to share this with her. It's going to be 5 days, 4 nights. So short and sweet, but we have a lot of stuff on our itinerary, and I'm really excited for that. So, it's enough yapping. Let's get packing.